Hello students, and welcome again to another video. We're going to be starting a new chapter today. We're going to be talking about stoichiometry. It's kind of just an introduction to what stoichiometry is and kind of what we'll be learning in this unit. If you are struggling with the last chapter, chapter 6, with chemical reactions, I suggest you go back to those videos frequently to understand and keep up with what we're doing in stoichiometry, because stoichiometry is an addition to chemical reactions. Okay, in the chemical reactions chapter, we simply just broke down what chemical reactions were, the equations, and just kind of the basic essence of what's happening in a chemical reaction and balancing them. In this chapter, we're going to be dealing with quantities. Okay, and to help when you're understanding quantities, I have a little example here. Okay, this is something that we may recognize. This is an equation, right? We have bread plus cheese plus, it says plus ham. That's equals a sandwich, right? To equal a sandwich, we generally need how many pieces of bread? 2, right? We'll have 1 cheese, we'll have 3 pieces of ham, right? And that makes a sandwich. Now, what if I had only 1 piece of bread? Could I make that sandwich? No, you couldn't, okay? Now, what if you had 3 pieces of bread, right? You're gonna have leftover, okay? That's what stoichiometry is gonna be talking about. If we have enough, or do we have too much? And what if we had 3 pieces of cheese? Okay, oh wait, we're now gonna have extra cheese, right? And if we didn't have enough ham, we can't make the sandwich. So now we're dealing with the quantities of these subjects, okay? We're not talking about just balancing them, okay? Right, adding coefficients and subscripts to our chemical equations to make them balance. We're now dealing with how much of it is there, how much mass, how many moles are present, and we're going to calculate that. So this is kind of just a brief idea of what stoichiometry is, and it's the quantities of the reactants and the products. All right? Okay, look forward to diving in more. Okay, this is just an introduction, and let's proceed.